Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Coco Mango Seed in Grow a Garden V update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get Coco Mango Seed, you need to unlock Tier 2 on this seed shop. You can go to the Tier 2, okay? And then if you want to get the Coco Mango, you need to upgrade your level to level 3. Okay, you can increase your NPC friend level to 3, and to increase the level you can feed this NPC with the food you have cooked up. I'm going to go to my food inventory. Wait, I'm going to go to the food item guys, and you can feed the NPC with the food and it will increase your friendship level. And now my friendship level is level 2, and when you have reached the level 2 you will unlock the new tire in this shop. Okay, I'm going to go to my Tier 2. Okay, when you are at level 2 you will unlock Tier 2 and you can buy the Coco Mango Seed, but to get the Coco Mango Seed you need to upgrade your level to level 3. And make sure that you already have the cooking kit on your garden guys, because we need the cooking kit to cook something for the NPC. Okay, to unlock this cooking kit you can complete the common achievement. I'm going to open up my garden guide, and you can complete this common achievements, okay, to unlock the cooking kit. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.